Hi everyone, so today I am making my overnight, well today and tomorrow, I'm making my overnight no-knead loaf. This is the simplest loaf you could make. It really is, throw everything together in the evening or the day before, just mix it quickly in the bowl, throw it into the fridge and the next day bake it. It really is that simple. So I am going to start doing that, and of course the recipe will be in the description as always. So this is as I said before, a really simple recipe. It's just flour, yeast, salt, water. You can add some seeds or something like that to it. You just need to adjust the liquid very, very slightly. You just want to mix it until it's all combined and there's no loose flour. Do the last bit by hand, but you don't need to if you don't want to get your hands messy. And that's it. Can you see it starts off looking really dry? It starts off looking really dry, but actually you can see now it's actually quite a wet dough, sticky dough. Put a lid over it and that will then go into the fridge. So this is one I actually made yesterday and it's just come out of the fridge. I did put some seeds into this one, some pumpernickel seeds. Couple of tablespoons. So I'm going to now shake this and pop it into the oven where I've got a Dutch oven cast iron casserole dish already heating.